Hello friends, welcome back to my video. In this puzzle, Y needs to move forward, then turn right to collect the gem. But do we have the turn right command to do it? No. We have got the turn left. How are we going to use the turn left to turn right? Let's figure it out. First we move forward 3 times. Then we turn left 3 times. We have used 3 left turns to make it turn right. Let's see if it turns right or not. Yes, it turned right. Now we need to move forward and collect the gem. Let's continue the code. Then we move forward 3 times again. Then we collect the gem. Let's run our code and check it. Well done! We did it by combining 3 left turns. In my next video, I'm going to be telling you how to create a function. So keep watching my videos. Thank you!